Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about using a little or a few. Okay, now let's see the first example. Can I have blank more juice? The answer is a little or a few. The answer is, can I have a little more juice? Why? Because a little is followed by uncountable noun, and here the keyword is juice. Juice is uncountable noun. Juice is refers to a liquid beverage, so it is uncountable noun. Next, can I have blank more chips? Okay, a little or a few? The answer is, can I have a few more chips? Why? Because a few is followed by countable noun, and chips are countable noun. We can count the chips. So the keyword here is chip. Chip is a countable noun. So what you need to remember, guys, a little is for uncountable noun and a few is for countable noun. Easy, right? So let's see the next example. Would you like blank more minutes? The keyword here is minutes. Minutes are countable noun. We can count minute, okay? So we use a little or a few. Right, a few. Would you like a few more minutes? Okay, next, would you like blank more time? Okay, here time is uncountable noun because time is a mass noun, so it is uncountable noun. The answer is, would you like a little more time? Now the last one, can you give me blank advice on this matter? Okay, the answer is a little or a few. You need to know the keyword here, advice. Advice is uncountable noun, okay? Now, let me know in the comment below what's your answer. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe if you find this video useful for you. Goodbye.